The template. Oh my gosh, the template. How is it going to be? Should it be thick paper or thin paper or hardwood, or should it be mirrored? Left, right, front, back. Is it the same here? Oh my gosh, there's a ramp on this side. What do you do about that?
What catastrophe are we dealing with today?
I'm doing a template for the floor. No catastrophe.
You say that now.
This is one of those projects that by the time I'm done with it, I'll have all the tricks mastered, but I don't get to benefit from them for this particular project. I'll benefit, the next person can benefit from it, but I can't. I got to make all the mistakes and go through all the pain. Well, some people, when they do their template, they do 1/4 of the wheel well, and then they fold it and do the other quarter, and then they fold it this way and do the other wheel well. That doesn't sound easier to me at all. Cutting that wheel well is not that hard. So I'm just going to do 2 pieces.
And who got you the paper?
My wife got me this paper.
I got you the paper because you were having such a hard time getting the paper.
So I went to Home Depot, and I know what I want at Home Depot. I know where it is by where the ladder is. You just go down each aisle and you look for the ladder. Your stuff is behind there. And that's where my paper was. But that builder paper was really thick. It's thicker than this, but
Yeah.
this is thick enough.
It's pretty, yeah.
This is thick enough. What I'm concerned about is if I don't use it right away, that it'll sort of warp on me. But the edges, I don't have to go straight to the edge. So I'm leaving about 1/2 inch anyway. If the whole thing varied by 1/4 inch, I'm not trying to go right up snug to this. This paper is 35 inches.
So tell them what I just made you do. You're trying to get work done, and what happens? I made you pose for a thumbnail.
Oh, yeah. Posing. Ah, a booger. My tape. Dip, 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 dip.
How did you get on that wheel well? Which one? I'm not left-handed.
Almost all of that's going to be hidden. Like the bathroom's going to be there, storage, couch. What are we going to call these? Couches or beds or
We'll
what?
throw a third word in there. Benches.
Where? Bench, couch.
Bench seats.
If it was in our house, we'd call it the couch.
But it's not in our house.
A couch is more like, couches can be beds, but beds are almost never couches, so let's call it a couch.
I like
Benches
bench.
are almost never couches and beds.
I don't care. Just pick one. We can call it a bouch. Bench couch.
It's kind of
or
hot.
bed couch. Bed couch is a bouch.
Okay, I'll go with that. It's at least as rational as V0001.
That looks good. You did good there.
That'll definitely work. If it'll stay in form.
Well, you need more tape. You need a solid piece of tape and then...
Yeah. So all I gotta do is this end. Let's keep going down here. Actually, this project was easier than I thought. I only spent 20 minutes doing this, and 1/3 of that was bantering with you.
And posing for thumbnails.
But you're right, I need more tape.
Yep, that whole seam needs tape.
And Sometimes when I do a project like this, I think, how can I impress David Moss? He taught me more than everything. He taught me that I can learn stuff. Whatever I want, I can probably do.
For anyone wondering, that's my uncle. Okay, this is about knowing me. We're going to get down there. We're going to pull that piece of tape all the way across. You ready?
Okay. Okay.
This is pretty tight right here.
Okay, well, I'll trim it.
So when you take this out, we're just going to roll it up.
Yeah, I think so. I just want to make sure. I'm going to close the door. Make sure there's no...
Do you think it's a perfect mirror image? It might not be.
I'm going to say yes.
Oh, okay.
But the pillars are a little different, but I'm not going so far that matters. I'm not going all the way to the pillar, so I'm going kind of inside of it. I'm going to have roofer's knees after this project. David Mosh knows what that is.
Yes, he does.
This video is dedicated to David Mosh, my awesome pseudo uncle.
Taught you everything you know, huh?
Just about. Fold it under.
Doing it. Oh. I did it on those too.
Okay, that's a I'm going to call success on the template. I kind of been dreading this for a month, really. And I'll watch these videos about people struggling, the templates and all that. This was literally the easiest project I have done so far. Even putting the little gripper glue on the steps was harder than this. And that wasn't even on the list as a real project.
So you spent more time thinking about it than actually doing it, right?
I did. I absolutely did. I probably spent 5 hours thinking about the template. Oh my gosh, the template. How is it going to be? Should it be thick paper or thin paper, or hardwood, or should it be mirrored? Left, right, front, back. Is it the same here? Oh my gosh, there's a ramp on this side. What do you do about that? How am I doing? It was pretty easy.